Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use hard, medium, and soft charcoal pencils. Understanding each grade is key to creating dynamic artwork. Hard charcoal is perfect for delicate lines and subtle shading. Medium charcoal provides a balanced range for building up forms. Soft charcoal delivers intense blacks and expressive marks. We will explore specific techniques for each type, helping you master their unique qualities and enhance your drawing skills. Hard charcoal pencils, often labeled H or 2H, are your go-to for precision. Begin your drawings with a hard pencil to lay down foundational lines and establish composition. Apply very light pressure to create delicate, almost ethereal tones. This grade is also fantastic for rendering fine textures like hair or fabric, and for maintaining sharp, clean edges throughout your piece. It helps prevent overworking early stages. Medium charcoal pencils, typically B or 2B, are incredibly versatile. They bridge the gap between light and dark, allowing you to build up your midtones effectively. Experiment with varying pressure. A light touch yields soft grays, while more pressure creates richer, darker values. This grade is excellent for blending, helping you achieve smooth transitions and subtle gradations in your artwork. It's a workhorse for developing depth. Soft charcoal pencils, often 4B or 6B, are for achieving the deepest, most intense blacks. Use them to create strong contrasts and dramatic shadows, bringing your artwork to life. They are perfect for quickly filling in large areas and adding powerful, expressive strokes. However, remember that soft charcoal smudges easily due to its high pigment concentration, so consider using a fixative or protecting your work carefully. Embrace its boldness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.